a child is born to us. A son is given to us. The government will rest on his shoulders, and he will be called Wonderful Counselor, Mighty God, Everlasting Father, Prince of Peace. His government and its peace will have no end. End of quote from Isaiah chapter 9, verses 6 and 7. And I read using the New Living Translation. What this simply means is that God is love. God is love. And how does he demonstrate his love? The Bible has said, for to us a child is born, to us a son is given. So Christ was given to us by God his Father. Now, a child is born, but a son is given. You see, Christ was both human, 100% human, and 100% God. So, 100% human, a child is born. He was born like any other child, human child. But 100% God, because the Son is given. The Son is not born, is given. I appeal to all Ugandans to stay united, regardless of our difference in political views and affiliations. During the last elections, my wife, Mama Florence, and I supported different candidates for the position of Member of Parliament. We were then living in Kampala. When I saw her marking her ballot, I knew exactly who she was voting for. And I, in turn, voted for my preferred candidate. In the end, her candidate emerged victorious. But this did not create any division or strain in our marriage. Every Ugandan has a constitutional right to freely choose and vote for the leaders they believe in. Let us exercise this right responsibly while preserving the bonds of family, friendship, and national unity. In the same spirit, I earnestly appeal to our dedicated armed forces, the personnel who handle guns and other weapons, to maintain the utmost professionalism by avoiding the use of excessive force when dealing with unarmed civilians. Likewise, I urge our civilians, particularly our youth, the young people, to refrain from provocative actions that could trigger responses from the security forces.